Hello traders, it's Tommy here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. Last week market started to move a little bit. We had some breakouts or continuations of our main directions. Please remember that we are during the summer time, so market is slow. That's why I haven't done weekly forecast last week, because I didn't see any good opportunities. So if you won't see any videos from us, it means that there is nothing special to trade. Of course, this will change in the September. Definitely, metals like gold, silver, platinum, they started to move again, and they are going really fast. But if we check on forex market after some quite period, again we have something. Of course, remember to lower the risk when you trade during this time, because we have just simply less volatility, less liquidity. So it's better sometimes just to wait for good opportunities. So first pair is Aussie yen. And what we have, it looks like price is reacting again on the resistance, on the weekly resistance. Here we have also weekly area of resistance a little bit higher, or even here we see that price was retesting this. If I zoom out a little bit, we will see that this is also good level. In case of the breakouts, yes, we can expect another up move, but if we pay attention, it looks like on the weekly it looks like a double top. So if we would like to find a support level on the weekly chart, this will be our next goal. So what we have, also double top on the daily. We see how difficult for price it was to reach. Yes, we had like over 2 weeks or even more, 1 month. It was like 1 month of range, and some immediately with the two candles price reached this. Yes, so we see how price can behave during the summertime. uh, for bounce trading is a little bit too late right now, because price already bounced. So we need to go to lower time frames to pay attention to some other entries. But let's try to find trend lines, and we will see that our line is here right now, which price broke, but we still have our 36 EMA, which acts also like a support area. And if we pay attention, we have a little bit of support here on daily chart. Yeah, so this is good level for price to react, or in case of breakout, price might to continue to maybe next support area here, or another area which is here. Yeah, so we have a situation like this. We also have trend line here if you would like to draw, but it's more or less same angles, same thing. Another line which we can draw will be here. So maybe after breakout of this, together with the support area, we will get this. So what we have on the 4-hour chart is like trendline breakout right now. Trendline breakout, and on the 1-hour time frame, we have this setup to go short. It's aggressive setup because it's against main direction still. There was entry already, but if you miss this, wait for candle close. In this case, it will be 5 minutes from now. Entry here, stop loss above the 36 EMA, and our target will be like not maybe 2 to 1, but still 80 pips. It's okay. Plus, of course, 36 EMA on the daily chart. Yeah, so this is aggressive approach, because we trade against main direction. Yes, main direction is still up. On the weekly chart, of course, we don't have like a clean up direction yet, but we have trendline breakout. Yes, so we can say, okay, trendline breakout, maybe price will change the trend. Yeah. So this is one option. Option number two, if you would like to be a little bit more aggressive, we wait for 5 minutes. 1 2 3 here. Yes. And after retracement, if price bounce on the 36 and trend line, entry and stop loss above our 36 EMA. This is what we can do. Yeah, this is what we can do. This will be like 1 hour chart combination with the 5-minute combination. Yes, and again, target 36 plus support. If it's too aggressive for you and you don't trade against main direction, what you can do in this case, it's you can wait for another long 1 to 3 here, bounce on the 36, and again look for buys to target this resistance level and target this, or break out of the 36 and support area, and then start to look for short entries also. Yeah, so something like this. CADCHF, a little bit ugly on the weekly chart. However, it's still pointing down. We still have this weekly short 1 to 3, but we see that price was not moving at all. We also have weekly trend line and support zone. We don't have, so we can just say, okay, yes, this is our next goal. Yes, to get maybe double bottom. Yes. This is the lowest point, but we will find something on the daily chart probably, and on the daily chart we'll find support area here on those spikes, and we can also see the price reacted a couple of times around this area, so we will have that. Yeah. Like I said, weekly short 1 to 3, we see that price was in this range, and right now it's breaking, or even wedge. Yes, something like this. It's breaking right now. So because it's breaking in a down direction together with our main trend, there was also resistance, yes, and support level here. So price just created something like this. 4-hour chart, what we need to see. Yes, and then we can look for short entries. If price rejects the short entries target support, 85 pips, still okay target. Next one, yes, because yes, if this wants to go down, this might be like another 300 pips. So we have CADCHF right now 4-hour chart, because 1-hour chart is not giving us anything. So wait for the bigger retracements and look for short entries. Euro Aussie. We were on the support area on the weekly. We also have resistance here on the weekly chart, somewhere around this area. Any trend lines? Let's check. This was broken, but if we change a little bit angle, we'll see that, or like this, yeah, we will see that this is also trend line where price is reacting right now. So this, of course, was really strange move. Price went up fast, went down fast. Right now it's reaching support plus trend line, so maybe we'll get bounce, and price will go up again. Yes. For now, difficult to say where because of this whole big move, but at least next to the next resistance we have like 200 250 pips. You see again another pair where no volatility for really long time. Yes, we see over 1 month of nothing, if I can say. But right now it looks like it's breaking our trend line plus 36 EMA. So maybe if I adjust the daily line, maybe we'll have continuation to the next, which is 160 pip. And we have also next one, which is a little bit even higher. Yeah. So what we have on the 4-hour chart, this is tricky setup. Tricky situation, because if we pay attention, we have 4-hour daily trend line breakout, and so we wait for the 4-hour chart long 1 to 3 here. If we get this 4-hour chart 1 to 3, we can go long and target, of course, this definitely. Yes, this might be like 250 pips target. However, if you see, or you don't see, so I will show you, we have some resistance area here. Yeah? So this will be aggressive trade. Of course, we have 36 EMA breakout, we have resistance breakout, etc., which is trend line 36. We wait for that, and definitely we can try, but what with low risk, because what might happen? Couple situations. Price is bouncing here and will continue to go up to retest this, or it will break this easily and go here. Or we will see the setup and then price will reach this level and then will bounce and will go down again to retest support, and we will be in the range. We also might get false breakout, lower high, and then price can go down. Yeah, so we have a couple of options which might happen here. Of course, we don't know which one will happen. So if you decide, you can say, okay, I'm aggressive trader, and whenever I get to the tree line breakout, I would like to jump in. I know that I have resistance here, but I will manage this. Okay. Or you can say it's too aggressive. I wait for breakout here, and then I start to look for buys because I will see a little bit more confirmation that price might go up. Okay, this is also good. Yes, if you decide to jump in here, lower your risk. Yes, lower your risk. Right now, we still have to wait for 4-hour chart retracement, so it will take some time. Yeah. Euro dollar is going. This is one of the pair which is going really fast. Yeah, we see that it's already moved like almost 1000 pip. And what is the funny part here? If we pay attention to weekly chart, we see that here we have the volatility, and then price started to range slowly started to go down, and this was in 2018, and it went down until 2020 May, and here, so it's almost 2 years. This one move, you see, this crazy one move, and this up move, and we are exactly on the same level as you see when I said yes, we are around this, and we see that price went up. It only took like 2 months. Yeah, so euro dollar is really going. It's really going fast right now. Of course, still continue to go up, especially that euro dollar was already on the low levels. Yes. If we look for monthly chart, we are still, if I can say, in the downtrend. Yes, we are still in the downtrend. However, price is close to trend line. What else we have? So if we just take a look on a little bit bigger picture, of course, we don't know yet if this is happening or not, but we are only sure for now that on the monthly chart, price is making higher low. If yes, it means that something might start. Yes, of course, we don't know. This is monthly chart. It's only higher low. We still need to wait for trend line breakout, etc. But who knows? If we look for trend line, of course, this one is not valid anymore, but we can also draw this trend line. Yes, something like this. So who knows? Yeah. Still might bounce, and we will be in this area. Yes, difficult to say, but definitely right now we are close, and we are on the really powerful trend line. Yes, so what we can have is a reaction on this trend line, or still continuation. Yes. Of course, because this is monthly trend line, it price can easily break this like 200 pips or 150 or even more, and then spike and then reverse again. And on the monthly chart, we'll see later on spike. Yes. If we take a look, we are also on the resistance level here. And we have also next one is a little bit higher. We see even, I would say, here, yes, somewhere around this area. So this is for the weekly chart. Like I said, price can easily go up. Yes, still it's pushing up. Of course, because we are on the resistance, price didn't retrace for around almost 1000 pips. we can also expect retracement back to our profit zone, which is 36 EMA, and then maybe continuation in this uptrend. We see that it's still moving up. We have only this trend line, so retracements back to trend line to the 36. This is our option for buy, definitely. For our chart right now, retracements back to the 36 CMA, back to trend line, and look for buys on the lower time frames, not on the 4-hour chart, because this is simply too late. Or 1-hour chart for scalping, intraday trading. Any retracement will give you opportunity to buy this, of course, 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame, to scalp this. Yes, so right now buy. I don't see reason to sell it, even if we are on the resistance. Everything is too strong to sell it right now. Yes, the only option to start to think about selling is the 1-hour chart trendline breakout. Yes, 1-hour chart trendline breakout, and then what you can do, you can target 4-hour and 36 CMA, for example. Yes, so this is the first idea about the sell. Right now, only buys. Using the CAD, still not moving anywhere. And we are on the good level for bounce, but because it's not moving, maybe we'll not have reaction, but price will continue to go up. We have trend line here, which, yes, we see that two ways to draw. Yes, if we draw it like this, we'll see that price broke this line. If we draw it on the spikes, we will see that this is also situation where we have resistance plus trend line. Anyway, we know that because of the resistance, we can say that this is still good level. Yes, we have another confirmation. Okay, this is trend line, but we see that we can draw this trend line in two ways. What I would like to see, because of this level, this retracement back to 36, then retracement, then bounce and continuation in the up move to target this or that, and then of course next levels. About the support, because I forgot, here we have a little bit of support on the weekly chart, but it's really difficult to draw because we have a lot of false breakouts and a lot of spikes. Yeah, so in this case, sometimes it's better to go to daily chart and try to find levels on the daily. So what we have, we see this range. Yes, prices in this range. We see that this is our weekly support, and our daily support might be somewhere around this area. This is of course area of this is zone. Yes, so it's difficult because we have some, you see, we have some spikes here, and we also have some spikes here. So we can draw those two levels if we like, but I'm not great fan, yes, to have things so close, because it's still unclear. Yes, it's still unclear. Definitely, this one will be more powerful than this one. Yes, so we can also say, okay, let's remove this, let's draw the trend line, and the price right now is still squeezed in this area. Let me just draw it in this way. So what we would like to see is breakout of this trend line, then we can look for short entries, and our goal will be daily 36 CMA, daily support. And then if price continue to break, weekly 36 CMA. If not, we can wait for bounce here and then another continuation to go long. And this is our target resistance plus trend line. Or if you see breakout of the resistance, and if price stays above, this is your call to buy. Yes, because price still, sometimes we don't have retracements like we would like to see. This is also kind of the retracement. Yeah. So because sometimes we have move and price is going down and then it's going up, but sometimes we have prices going up, we have range, and we have continuation. Yes, so exactly same might be here. Price will go up, we'll start to range, and we'll have continuation. Yes, this is also possible. The last pair is USDN. This was really not good pair for really long time. Finally, we have something. Who knows how it ends? But if we pay attention, it's still going down on the weekly chart. We have this red candles. This is our next weekly support level. We go to daily chart. We are right now on the support area, more or less, if we pay attention to those previous reactions. Yes. However, price also broke those previous spikes, the range. Yes, we see that the price was just squeezed. This is our trend line, so it's a little bit far away. Another line will be here. We go to 4-hour chart, and what we have is situation that price broke it. We wait right now for retracement, and after retracement, what we can do, we can start to sell it on the 4-hour chart, because there should be enough room, or 4-hour chart with lower time frame combinations. Also, 1-hour time frame is okay, but only for scalping. Yes, so you have to wait for 1-hour chart 1 to 3, and then you need to combine this with lower time frames, because simply we are on the support. Was quite big move, so that's why you don't want to go to you don't want to trade on the 1-hour chart. It's simply too late right now. Yes. Okay, guys, so that's all from my side. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it and like it. And yes, remember to lower the risk, to try to trade more wisely because of less volatility. So thanks again for watching this video, and talk to you soon. Bye.